Admissions Committee welcome you to the form filling guidance video, whereby we will take you step by step through the nitty-gritties of TOMS IIT Roorkee MBA admissions form of 2025. Firstly, you'll have to reach iitr.ac.in and you'll have to go through admissions to MBA programs, whereby you'll find two links. One will take you to apply online and second would take you to the information brochure. Information brochure contains all the relevant information regarding the admission process, and above that you'll find apply online link which will take you to the admissions portal. Hereby you'll register a new account where you'll only have to use a Gmail account, and please forbid from using any other account. I repeat, please only use the Gmail account. After successfully registering, you'll have to sign in. Please sign in using the same details as you used in registering the new account. Once you sign in, you'll have to go to the master section. Here, you'll have to go to the first section, that is MBA, and here you'll have to click on the first link, that is apply MBA application. Great. Please fill in the relevant details and refer to the information brochure if required. Please fill in the adequate admission category through which you are applying to the admission process, which is regular, international, or Golden Girl scheme for females. If you are an IIT graduate with CGPA more than or equal to 7 and admitted through IIT JEE, please select yes. Fill in the IIT JEE details. Students applying through IIT JEE criteria are exempted from filling the CAT details. And if you are applying through CAT examination 2024, you will have to fill in the CAT details. Make sure you fill in the percentile of each section and the score of each section. Fill in your address details. Please press save and next. Please choose the preference for location of GDPI. No request for change of location of interview will be entertained in any circumstances. Please fill in your qualifying degree details. Qualifying degree details consists of your graduation degree. After that, you'll have to fill your educational qualification details. Please fill in the percentage or CGPA as declared by your board of examination. If you hold an additional degree or a PG degree, please provide the details for the same in the Add New Details section. Note that once you save and go to the next page, you won't have the option for adding a new detail. Please provide the details of your work experience, if any. If you have any additional details regarding your work ex, please provide them after clicking Add Employment. Note that after saving and going to the next page, you won't be able to provide additional details for your work ex. Please press Save and Next so as to go to the next page. Please upload the relevant documents. and make sure the maximum size of each document is 5 MB. The passport size photograph and the signature should be in .jpeg or .jpg format. While the 10th mark sheet certificate, 12th diploma certificate mark sheet, all UG mark sheet and degree, CAT scorecard, experience certificate, other documents, and undertaking should be in the PDF format. Make sure all UG mark sheet and degree is combined in a single PDF and then uploaded. And same goes for the experience certificate. If you have any documents for your extracurricular activities, please combine them in a single PDF and upload it in the option. You'll have to upload an undertaking under the condition you are unable to provide the relevant certificates required here. But make sure you present these documents at the time of registration. After you have uploaded all the relevant documents, please go to the declaration section. Please preview the application form before proceeding for payment. Please check your details once again before proceeding for payment. And then proceed for payment. In case you are a female candidate and you have opted for a Golden Girl scheme, you are exempted from filling out the CAT details. Instead, you have to provide in the details asked below. You will have to provide the supporting documents for Golden Girl scheme as mentioned in a single PDF with maximum size being equal to or less than 5 MB. Please click on proceed for payment for paying the admission fee of 1600 rupees. Please click on proceed to pay, then pay now. Please choose your preferred mode of online payment. Pay the amount and then you will receive a confirmation mail at your registered email ID. Thank you for watching this form filling guidance video. If you have any further doubts, please mention them in the comment section. Thank you and best of luck.